Hey everyone, so new financial year have started, and as you guys are using TranZact, so obviously it will be very important for you that the document series should get reset and the new number series will get started. So in this video, I will show you and I will guide you if the document series of your profile have not been resetted, how you can do the same and how you can prevent these type of error from the coming future. So first of all, we will go to the all modules and now we will click on settings module. Once you will come in the settings, you need to go to the documents and then click on document number format. So please check. For an example, here is one of the purchase order series which I have added. And here the reset type is blank. So what I need to do, I will click on edit option. Now, once I will click on edit option, please check this is the series. So here few details are missing like the financial year. What I can do, I will click on show customer. So you might have already mentioned manually 24, 25, and or you have kept it blank. So in that case, what you can do, simply just go below. Here you will find the financial year P1 and P2. Copy this. I simply just copied and just pasted it. Then after financial year P2, simply went ahead and mentioned that. Now, after entering, please check. Here is the PU 2526 001. Suppose if the next number is not updated, please update it manually for this time because the reset is not done. If it is 001, leave it as it is. So after that, you need to click on auto reset duration as the financial year and then after go below and save it. All done. From the next financial year, it will get auto reset. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in managing your document series. Have a good day ahead.